Okay, let's talk bump bending. So let's just create a program here as we normally would. I'll give it a thickness, some material properties. Then we'll do something really simple here. I'll just do like a, I don't know, like channel like this. I'll add some dimensions. I'll give it some bigger flanges here just so I can put a bump radius in, as you'll see here in a second. So with version 5 Vision and beyond, you've got the ability to convert a single step to this R, which would be a radius bump. So in this case, I would say I want to bend this, say like a 4-inch radius. I want to hit it, say 5 times. And then of course we've got those bumps there. So that looks okay. And as I sequence this, even with version 6, it's kind of the same where the radius is treated as one bump step. So we've got before and after, and then we've got that one hit there. Okay. So that's your typical bump bending. Now what we've added with version 6 is what we call the break step. So if you drop down into flange mode, under bump tab, I've got 2 options now to bend steps. Now I've got the one line here. Now this is my 5 bumps for my bump bend, which typically you would know this is if you're running the brake, it's just going to come forward 5 times with an X increment. It's kind of difficult to make changes or adjustments or angle corrections. And then this is my one hit flange, but I can select here and I've got the brake step option, and see what happens here is we've got now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 individual steps, and then that 6th flange step there. So what this gives us now is just kind of the ability to adjust the programs from a individual bend perspective. Now flange mode stays the same. It's still we're only detecting and visually showing kind of before and after. But in flange mode here, I can make all kinds of changes. Like the best part is here, I can make an angle correction on one of these steps, which is helpful. So 162 degrees per bump. If I need to tighten that overall, if the overall radius is out, I can kind of do that. Or I can change my, another handy step is just changing like the bend sequence. So it just gives the operator more individual control over every step. So that's the goal. So again, we have break step, which is a newer feature in version 6, which allows the operator to see more visually what's happening related to how many bumps or how many steps are actually in the program. So hope that helps.